director tonight sa pinaka-adlaw when it comes to our celebration. Again, we want to recognize the effort as well of Mr. Angelo Saison. A big round of applause as well, everybody. And kanitanan, dili ni siya mapasigabuhon nga manaagit tayo selebrasyon kung wala ang ato ang amahan sa ato ang syudad sa Dumaguete. We wanted to say thank you very much to our very own Mayor Antonio Felipe Antonio Remolio. Honorable Felipe Antonio Remolio. Big round of applause, everybody. We'd like also to acknowledge his active son and very supportive as well sa mga programa sa iyang amahan na si Attorney Dio Remolio. A big round of applause. And to all of our sponsors, our co-presenters, especially the Futura Shores, Dumaguete, a big round of applause nila kay dako yun kayo sila gihatag sa ato ang syudad sa Dumaguete, everybody. And tonight, are you all excited to meet our talented drag queens? Wala ka excited kay wala man ka maluon sa drag queens. Asa na ganyan sila nagpuyok na mga kwebang? Oh, no? Okay. I would just like to, hopefully hindi masaya pang ako information, but of course, drag queens are artists. You know, they perform